This is how to remove a carton clamp from a BX60. Since you've probably already used the truck, you want to release the pressure going to the valve by turning on the key and turning it off, going forward and reverse on the fourth valve which operates the clamp. Next, you want to get off, come up to the quick disconnects and remove them. One of them will be, you press down, we'll pop one off, one for the other side. You can't get them mixed up because they're different types, so they only go on one way. Next what you want to do is come down to the bottom of the carriage. You'll see a pin that holds the bottom of the clamp. What you do is you pull on the pin, it comes out so, put it in the bottom one, push it in, do the same to the other side. Next, you want to put a pallet underneath it to hold the clamp while you disengage it. After, I'll do the other side. Do both sides. Next, get on the truck, start it up, lower it down. Stop the brake.